So the Rediscovery Centre has been in existence for about 15 years. We started really small. We were part of the Ballymun regeneration project, but we always wanted our own home. We knew the Ballymun boiler house was going to be demolished, and we thought it would be a perfect opportunity to reuse this building and have a perfect Rediscovery Centre home. We've reused as much as possible. We've considered closed loop, so we're trying to reuse rainwater. We're recycling our toilet waste, we're recycling our food waste, we're growing copsing willow on site that we can burn in our biomass stove. We're taking energy through solar, just trying to consider all aspects, and we did that from the very beginning, right through design to build to how we operate. It's a retrofit, but we've still managed to get an A2 rating, which is fantastic. So the main benefits of the Rediscovery Centre are it's cheaper to run because it's an eco building. It has all the tools we need to teach people about environmental and sustainable living. And all the staff are also so happy and proud to work in an eco-friendly building.